it is Gamer, and in this episode, we're going to be making a race car dodging game where you're in this car and you have to dodge obstacles while trying to drive to the end. So, let's start things off with implementing a controller. I am currently doing this on my tablet, so this is the mobile version. So I have this big game kit for making mobile games. So I'm just going to implement the D-pad pieces and the player piece. The link will be in the description. You can just add it to your backpack. So we're going to remove the left and right, and we're just going to have the up and down. Now we're going to make our car with the player. So I'm just going to make a quick one. It's just going to be a red rectangle. I will change this up in between episodes. So we're going to have our player here. Might make it a bit bigger. That should be a good size. So now if we play it right now, it goes up and down. So we have our basic player thing already down. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a new sprite. And this is going to be our obstacle sprite. Now, the obstacles are going to be what you need to drive around. So I'm just going to make another quick obstacle drawing. This time it's just going to be, say, a blue colored square. So we're going to put it over here. So we're going to go to the events. We're going to the when flag clicked. We're going to do control. Going to drag a forever loop. And motion. Going to go down and change X by, and we're going to set that to, say, -6. And this is, we're also going to grab a events. Control, actually? Yeah. So this is going to go to a when I start as a clone. The forever that. So when flag clicked forever, we're going to go to, I think, control. I'm going to wait, operators, pick random 1 to 10. Let's change that to 3 to 6. Actually, let's change that just to 1 to 2. 2 to 3. Sorry, 2 to 3 seconds. I'm gonna go to the bottom of control, create clone of myself. So it's just gonna create obstacles every 2 to 3 seconds. So now we just have a bunch of cubes that will randomly appear. They'll float to the left side of the screen. Now, to make them do stuff, you're going to go to this script here. I'm going to change this forever to repeat until, let's say, I think it's sensing. Go to touching. And then going to make a new sprite. So it's going to be a big line. I'm going to make this big line go all the way to this top of the screen. I'm just, doesn't matter what color you do it or anything, because it is going to be hidden. I'm just gotta find the center. Yep. So we're gonna put it all the way. Oh. It's hard to move it on mobile. We're gonna put it all the way to this side. So that's 0. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the obstacles, set it to touching this sprite, which is the barrier sprite. Then we're going to go to control, to the bottom, and we're going to drag delete this column. So now, if we test it again, we can go up, we can go down, and obstacles will spawn at the top. Now let's make those obstacles do more. So we're going to go to looks, we're going to go down to the show and hide, put that there, and the hide on the one flag clicked. So we're also going to motion. We're going to drag a set Y2, and we're going to do operators and set it to pick random. Let's say -260, 260. So that should randomly create blue boxes. No, if you run into the blue boxes, nothing's going to happen yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the obstacles, and we're going to drag, we're going to go operators, we're going to drag in an OR statement. We're going to get another touching, put both the touchings into the OR statement, and set the second one to player. So now we'll delete when it's touching the player. We also want something else to happen. So we're going to go to variables, we're going to make a new variable. We're going to name it car health. So we can put the car health, say down here with D-pad, and we're going to drag in the set car health. I'm going to set it to whichever amount you want to start with, let's say 5, and we're going to put it before the one flag clicked, right there. So next we're going to go back to here, and we're going to try and change block, set it to -1. So now we're going to make the one flag clicked, control, forever, and if, and then we're going to drag in a less than. We're going to set this to a 1. On the right side, we're going to have variables. We're going to drag in the car health variable, put it on the left side, and then I'm going to go to events. We're going to go to control. I'm going to drag in a stop all. So now, if the car health is less than 1, the game will stop completely. So I'm at 1, and now I can't move or anything, nothing spawning. Alright, so This is just the basic ones. In the next episode, I'm going to go more into levels and more of that. So, I'll see you guys in the next episode, and goodbye.